Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Halik Omar Patuk and I'm going to discuss the limits. So, the limit to be denoted by L, which is the limit, is the unique real value that f of x will approach as x approaches c. So c is the constant. In symbols, we write this process as limit limit of f of x approaches the c. So, as you can see, yung c natin is papalapit ng papalapit sa constant. So, example natin is limit of 2 plus 4x as x approaches 4. So, yung x is papalapit ng papalapit sa 4. So, ganito yon. Ito yung sa graph. Ay, wait lang. Mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, let's just say na ito yung x natin, yung 3. Tapos, papalapit siya sa 4. Ito yung 4. Ito yan. Yan. So, ang napili nating value ng x is 3. So, ganito yan. Yung x is 3. So, papalapit siya sa 4. 3.5, 3.8, 3.9, 3.9, 3.999. So, as you can see, yung 3 is papalapit siya sa 4. So hindi natin pwedeng isulat yung 4, which is papalapit lang siya sa 4. Okay, to find the f of x, you need to substitute the value of x sa equation na to. So, yung 3 mo na yung una. Limit of limit of 2 plus 4x as x approaches 4. So, yung 3 is substitute natin sa x. So, ganito. 2 plus 4 times 3. So, 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 17. 14 pala. 14. So, yung f of x niya is 14. So, next is 3.5. So, ganun din yung equation. Limit of 2 plus 4x as x approaches 4. So, substitute yung 3.5. Then, 2 plus 4 times 3.5 yung calculator. So, kailangan natin gumamit ang calculator to find the answer. So ito yun. So iunan natin yung may parenthesis. So 4 times 3.5, that's 14, plus 2, 6, and that's 16. So yung f of x ng 3.5 is 16. So next, 3.8. Limit of 2 plus 4x as x approaches 4. So yung 3.8, 2 plus 4, 3.8. So ganyan. Tapos 4 times 3.8. 4 times 3.8. So plus 12. 17.2. So next is 3.9. Limit of 2 plus 4x as x approaches 4. So substitute 3.2 plus 4 times 3.9. 4 times 3.9 plus 2, 17.6. Next is 3.99. Limit of 2 plus 4x as x approaches 4 equal 2 plus 4 times 3.99. 4 times 3.99 equal 15.96 plus 2, 17.96. 17.96. So next is yung 3.999. Limit of 2 plus 4x as x approaches 4. 2 plus 4 times 3.999 4 times 3999 plus 2. So 17.996. So as you can see, CX is approaching to 4. Papalapit siya sa 4. From the left, ito yun. From the left to right. So si f of x naman is from the from the right to left. Pabalik siya. So that's the limits.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Amudi S. Zakaria. So my topic is evaluating limits. So how to evaluate the limits? Okay, so this is the example on how to evaluate the limits. First, like for example, ito yung ating problem. Limit of 5x plus 2 as x approaches 2. So, ang unang gagawin natin, yung i-copy muna natin yung 5x plus 2. Tapos, the next is yung 2 natin i-substitute natin sa x. So, ganito ang gagawin natin. 5 times 2 plus 2. Then, 5 times 2 is equal to 10 plus 2. So, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Yan yung ating sagot. Okay, the next example is next na example natin, limit of 16x minus 7 as x approaches negative 1. So, simple lang yung gagawin natin. I-substitute natin ulit yung value ng x, which is yung negative 1 sa ating x. So, ganito yung gagawin natin. 16 times negative 1 minus 7. So, 16 times negative 16 is equal to negative 16 minus 7. And then, negative 16 minus 7 is equal to, so since yung ating 16 at 7 ay parehong negative, ang gagawin natin is mag-a-add tayo. Kaya maging negative 23 siya. Okay, so let's proceed to other example. Okay, so other example is limit of 4x plus 1 over 2x minus 3 as x approaches 5. So, ganito lang yung ating gagawin. Tulad din sa unang ginawa natin, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng x, which is yung 5 sa ating x. So, copy muna 4x plus 1 over 2x minus 3. So, ganito lang yung ating gagawin. 4 times 5. Yung 5 natin, i-substitute sa x. Yung x natin maging 5. Kaya 4 times 5 plus 1 over 2. Yung 5 natin, Kaya maging 2 times 5 minus 3. So, ang next step natin, 4 times 5. Kaya 20 plus 1 over 2 times 5, 10 minus 3. Tapos, 20 plus 1 is 21. Yung 10 minus 3, 7. So, ang next na step is yung 21 divided by 7. So, this is equal to 3. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. So, this is our answer.
So, next topic is how to evaluate indeterminate form. So, let's just say ito yung given natin. The limit of x squared minus 4 all over x minus 2 as x approaches 2. So, the first move is hindi muna tayo mag substitution. Kasi kapag mag-substitution tayo, ang mangyayari sa denominator is magzi-zero siya. So, ganito. Kapag substitution, limit of squared minus 4 all over x minus 2. X approaches 2. Kapag ganyan, then substitute the 2 minus 4 all over 2 minus 2. So, mazi-zero siya. So, yun ang indeterminate. So, ang mangyayari is ipa-factor natin yung x squared minus 4. So, ganito ang mangyayari. X minus 2 times x plus 2. So, ganyan. Kapag i-times mo yan, babalik siya sa form na ganito sa taas. So, all over yung x minus 2. So, yung numerator and denominator is pareho sila dito. So, maka-cancel yan. Cancel this. So, ang matitira is x plus 2. X plus 2. So, dito na mangyayari yung substitution. So, i-substitute mo yung 2 sa x. So, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So, ganyan. That's the indeterminate form. Or how to evaluate the indeterminate form. The next topic is limit at infinity. So, limit at infinity. So, ito yung illustration natin. Illustration illustration. So, ito yung illustration natin, which is the limit of 1 all over x as x approaches t infinity is equal to 0. Limit of 1 all over f of x to the power of 5 as x approaches infinity is equal to 0. Limit of 1 all over x cubed as approaches the negative infinity equal to 0. Limit of 1 all over 4 of x and x of 4 as x approaches the negative infinity is equal to 0. So let's make an example. P So, ang first move natin is, ang gagawin natin is, hanapin mo yung pinaka mataas yung exponents both sides. So, kapag, halimbawa, kapag 2 yung exponent dito sa taas, then 3 dito. So, ang kukunin mo is yung 3. So, divide natin sa x cube and x cube. So, ang mangyayari is ganito, 4x cube plus 3x squared minus 6 all over yung x cube. And next is yung denominator, which is the 2x cube plus 5x plus 3 pala yan, 3 all over x cube. So, i-divide natin bawat isa. So, yung 4x cube divide x cube. So, ang matitira is 4. Bali, plus. So, ang next is 3x cube. 3x squared divide sa x cube. So, ang nangyari is, ang matitira dun sa taas is 3. And sa baba is x, which is, ima-minus lang natin yung x cubed sa x squared. So negative, minus 6. So walang x dito. So ilalagay lang natin yung x cubed sa baba ng 6. So next is yung 2x cubed divide x cubed. So matitira is 2. Bale plus yung 5x divide sa x cubed. So mawawala yung x dito. Matitira is i-divide natin yung 5x sa x cube. So ang mangyayari is 5 all over x squared. Then plus 3 all over x cube. So ang next move is titingnan natin yung illustration sa taas. So ito yun. Ito yung 1 all over x squared. So ito yung 5. Magkapareho sila sa 5 all over x squared. So yung illustration is 1 all over x squared is equal to 0. So itong 5 all over x squared is magiging 0 siya. Same din dito, maging 0. All the x is magiging 0. So ang matitira is yung 4 at saka 2. So ang mangyayari is ganito, plus 4 plus 0 minus 0 all over 2 plus 0 plus 0. So ganyan. So ang matitira is 4 and 2. So i-divide lang natin yung 4 and 2. So ang mangyayari is 4 all over 2 is 2. So yan ang final answer na. That's all.